Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're joining this channel for the first time, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, as well as share this video with everyone. So this is just do it yourself flower bed. So basically what we are looking at, so this is a new section of what I'm about to do, and the kind of bricks that I've selected today are all the coffee bricks. So, and these bricks are just about, I think, $1. So I got like 70 of them for about $120. 70, yeah, I think 70 bricks. So the result of what we are awaiting is going to be this side. So I already finished this one. This is how it's going to look. But guess what? I'm still going to get some sod. So just like this to cover up this area. So that's going to be the finishing touch. I will show you when everything is done. This is the result of what you want to get from this side, of this left side. So right now, one thing I notice is that a lot of our builders, what they do is just help you mud up all the flour. They just give you this pack and just model it up. But under this, we have some something here that you can make your pot out of clay. So it's so much, it's a lot. So I did a lot of work on that one. But on this one here, the first thing I'm going to do before arranging my block for you, if you want to do this yourself, just make sure that you move all this out first, and make sure you have a bag, a trash bag that you can actually have it, so that you can have the normal clay, the normal soil. So, and then you have to flatten it first. So right now I'm just moving out the sand, the clay. Okay, not so much. So this is the level I'm going. So I'm going to move all this out to this level. Okay, let's watch out. Alright guys, here we are. So the first thing I did is using my shovel to move the sand, and I have a container over here that I put my sand in it. So another thing I do is, when I move those sand, I feel like, okay, if it is too high for me, I try to move them to I want the surface to be flattened to other surface. This place is a little bit slant, so I wanted to have that slanty shape. So all I did was move the sand, and after moving it, I feel like I don't have any other tool than to use my leg. So I use my leg to pound it down, and pound, so I can have the slant surface. And another thing I did was I use my sledgehammer. So this is like it's more than an half. It's like an half and quarter, like 3/4 of the circle. So I use my sledgehammer to create space for where my bricks will fall into, and here and here. So I'm able to get my circle. However, so moving the circle now, the first thing I'll do is get my first brick, lay my first brick, okay, and get my sledgehammer to get the sand to hold it, the clay. And here, that's my first one and my first brick. So as you can see, I use my sledgehammer to make the ground flattened. So that's my first brick. My second brick is coming, and my second brick will lock into this area of the other brick rather. So, and I use my sledgehammer to move this downward a little bit. Okay, that's good. So the second brick is in. Okay, I want it to be locked. So there, and I have my sledgehammer to do the inner job, and I get some clay to hold the inside. So the next thing I'm looking for, okay, so I have to reshape in here. Okay, good. All right, good. And the other one I'm looking for is so I need to get this cut out. Okay, so another thing is get the third brick and get this face out of it. Okay, so I need it to come in a little bit more. Okay, I need more bricks here. I need more clay rather, right in here to cover it and get this in here and I need to ensure that the level of this block and this brick and this are the same. So I'm not going to only leave it to that. I'm going to have some bricks, some clay in and out to hold it all. So here we go. We are moving. Okay, so I'm getting the next one. We'll take this shape. Okay, get this one here. Okay, make this one, look so good. I need to add more clay. And here, when I have this done, then I'll do something to the inner and the outer part of it. So here, build the mountain. So it's so easy. So like I've already marked it, so I know where this is heading because I already marked it somewhere here. So as you are laying the bricks, make sure you are moving this. You are moving this. So I still have some in that bag over there. So but what I'm doing is that after filling this up, I see how much I need of this dark soil. So if I don't need anything more, I'm just gonna throw them away. So for this one here, I'm moving the one that I already packed there in order for me to be able to move the clays that I have on this part. Alright guys, welcome back. So what I've done today is just I moved the black soil that was in this part. I moved it to the part that I've done, which makes my job easier. Then I try to lower the sand in this location without getting to the root of the tree because I don't want it to die. So what I'm doing right now is just making a new path for new bricks to fill out this side, and I'm making sure that the quantity, the large quantity of my clay has been moved out. I left this little quantity to finish my job because I need something to patch it in and out to be able to hold firm my bricks. Alright, so from here I'm moving on setting up my bricks. So I make sure that I have this center and I have my sledgehammer to move whatever it is that is on the way, move it out. Then I want to set my brick first to know where my path is gonna go. Okay, so I need this to go in a little bit, and to make it go in a little bit, all you have to do is make sure you use your sledgehammer. Use your sledgehammer. Use it. It's yours. So I do it this way. I just patched it in. Okay. They're good this way. Okay, all I'll do is just okay, and let this go down. Okay, we are in. Move my clay in, right in, and in. So I need to now get my shape out. So I'm moving from here. I need this to be on this path, so I can actually use my sledgehammer to make my path and get my brick set. So guys, here we are. I've been able to trace my path out and get the blocks set. So all I have to do is just make some adjustments like this. Now I have to check under it and probably get something to hold it from inside. So like that there, I'm just gonna put this to shock it in. So there we are. So as far as you make sure that every part inside of this block is of the bricks are locked, so you've done a good job. So all I have to do is to start putting all this inside it. So here we are. So here is how I'm able to save myself $1,500 on flower bed. So all I'm going to be doing here is just filling. So filling an out of my flower bed. So all we need to do is to just cover it up and pick out some clay that are part of the dark soil. So we take it out and perfectly we're good. And the next thing to do is so we now get our shape like the circle thing. So cover it up, and the next thing to do is to get the sword and put it around it. As you can see, some of the areas are already affected with due to the movement of clay from taking them out of it because it was so bulky when the builder built the house. But however, in this case, so we're able to get the minimum soil, the dark soil that we need. Alright guys, so I've started to lay the bigger bed, and this time around it's going to go this way, curve, and go towards the other side. So yeah, let's go. Hello everyone, so this is the finishing touch for my flower bed. You can see how beautiful it is looking right now. So I make sure I arranged the bricks, and they are interlocked bricks, and you can see the way I'm able to get my curve. The shape is so easy. Just make sure you always follow the line. You might use a sledgehammer to get your path, and when you have your bricks in, you can hit a little bit to let it sink. So, and this is the rounded ones for the tree. So I'm going to show you the final touch, the final part of the three flower beds together. So as you can see, see them, so nice and beautiful. So I've just saved myself $1,500. So with this, I think you guys should be able to, do it yourself. And please, thank you so much for watching this this video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.